We appreciate you. Thanks so much. It is 8:17 here this morning. We also appreciate our Throwback Thursdays. We love when Midway Village comes on. Alex joining us this morning. Thanks for being here, by the way.
You're welcome.
We appreciate you. All right, well, we're talking about a case that goes to the Supreme Court. I mean, this is one in history here in Rockford. Tell us about it.
Yeah, June 25th, 1972 is an interesting anniversary. That's the day that the Supreme Court handed down a decision in Grayned versus the city of Rockford. And as far as I can tell, it's the only case from Rockford to ever make it to the Supreme Court.
What's involved with this case?
So in 1969, there was a lot of civil rights unrest, and there was a protest at West High School. There were 41 girls trying out for cheerleading. All of the African American girls were deemed to be ineligible, and that kind of sparked things. So in April of 1969, 200 people, mostly students but some ex-students, staged a protest outside the high school. Richard Grayned was one of the students who was actually a former student,
Wow.
and he was protesting, and he was one of the 200 taken off to jail and charged.
Wow. Do you know how old he was at the time of that protest?
He was 20 at the time, so
Okay,
he'd been
wow.
out of school a couple years, but he heard about it and he wanted to come and lend his voice to the cause.
Taking this fight all the way. What was that fight like? What were the steps from it being charged and then getting all the way up to it being at the Supreme Court level?
So I'd never heard of this case either, and I looked in line, and Richard Grayned lives in Rockford, so we called him and had him come in and talk at Midway Village.
Wow.
Interestingly, there was a former football player named Marshall Starks who played in the AFL and then became NAACP director. He's the one who basically got in touch with Richard and said, let's fight this on constitutional grounds, and he found an attorney out of Chicago.
Wow.
So Richard, they were fighting it and they were keeping him updated, but the Chicago attorney was leading the way. Went all the way up through. He lost at the Illinois State Supreme Court level. They appealed to the U.S. Supreme Court.
Wow. So it got all the way. And you said he has family still here in the area as well?
Well, Richard moved away for a while, but then he moved back to raise his kids, and most of them graduated from Rockford Public Schools. Yeah, so it was interesting. He's a bus driver now for Sunrise.
Tell me just a little bit about just what the museum does to kind of look back on this case, if people wanted to look more into it. I thought it was interesting that you actually have some of the transcripts here.
Yeah, Richard brought this in. He has extra copies, so he gave us one.
So
So we brought him in, recorded a podcast, and every year we do something for Black History Month, and we're hoping maybe to include this in future exhibits. And it's just a cool thing to have. We just collect stuff that other people don't, get. Not all of it makes it out into public domain, but somebody has to preserve it.
I was going to say, what is the significance of this story on the heels of Juneteenth and everything with Black history?
It's just it's a story that should be remembered. Yeah, it had kind of drifted away with time. The interesting thing is how the case was resolved. He was charged with a picketing violation, but then they tacked on violating the noise ordinance. So it went all the way to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court found that they did violate his constitutional rights because they allowed labor unions to picket, but nobody else. But they found that the noise ordinance was okay, so he won and he lost.
Wow.
And the other thing, the city of Rockford just then struck down the exemption for labor unions, and the law is still on the books.
Well, we appreciate you being here, giving us a little part of Rockford history. So many stories to tell. I know you've got them all, too, so thank you for being here with us.
I have a few.
Yeah, just
Everything
a couple.
and more
Just a couple.
at Midway Village. All the details on your screen here, when you can check them out. Also, where you can get that podcast as well. We'll get it up for you on our website, mystateline.com. Alex, thank you so much for being with us this morning.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Your headlines are next.